Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you recipes, ideas. Simple one. This one is beetroot with some lemon and ginger and honey. Serve with a lot of ice and also it's good for you. You got a lot of benefit. You're talking about like your blood, cancer and all these things. Beetroot is good. The best one is the natural beetroot you can get. Remove the skin and also make your juice. Don't buy the vinegar beetroot and make juice. That's wrong. Thank you so much to tune into my show. We got a lot more tips and recipe ideas coming for you. You guys have a lovely weekend. Stay tuned. Lovely. So today we want to make you a beetroot drink. It is for cleansing your body. Beetroot can cleanse the body with ginger, lemon and honey. You don't have to put honey, but just because of the beetroot, you can put a little bit of honey, not too much. So today we want to make you a cleanser for your body. I did a couple of years ago a video on, beetroot, but never too much. So today I have 2 organic beetroot. As I can see, I washed it off, get rid of some of the dirt off of it, remove the skin and cut it up small to fit inside of the smoothie blender. That's what you want to do. Basically, you can get the beetroot at the supermarket to buy or the local shop on the high street, and this is the way I cut it up. As you can see, because of the redness, I cut it up very chunky, and I'm gonna put it straight inside of my blender. Nice one. So as you can see, it is inside. 1 beetroot I'm going to be using. I'm gonna right here I have a fat chunk, a piece of a ginger. Remove the skin from the ginger and I'm gonna cut it up. A few pieces of the fresh ginger, just a few pieces, straight inside of the Ninja blender. Put these one side, and I'm going to, first of all, what we're going to do is pour 3/4 glass of water, roughly, yeah, inside of it. We're not gonna put the lemon inside, we're gonna squeeze it in when we're gonna mix it. Cover your blender like this right here, and then give it a good blend for a nice good 5 or 6 minutes. Nice. Finish blend. Lovely and nice. This one side. Before I move anything else, so what we're going to do is strain it. We don't need a fiber, we just need a juice. All right. Nice one. And it smells lovely and nice. Use the back of your spoon and squeeze it. Nice one. As you can see, exactly what Chef Ricardo is all about. Then what we're going to do, squeeze a little bit of honey. Not too much, that's it. Don't want to put too much honey. Then we're gonna squeeze half of a lemon. Nice one. No seed in that one. Give it a good stir. I'm gonna taste it. just to make sure the honey gone out. Beautiful. I love it already. I love it. Nice one. I'm gonna share it out. Then some ice. And then pour that nice lovely juice we should just make. And serve it with a nice lovely piece of a lemon. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Really nice and fantastic, as you can see right here from Chef Ricardo. So guys, enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, leave your comments below. That's a cleanser for your body, and it do help have a lot of benefit, good for blood and also good for blood circulation if you can drink it natural, and if you can get the organic. Beetroot is the best one to use. Do not use the one with the vinegar. You cannot make drink. This is the original one. This is the original way. Get your fresh beetroot, remove the skin, cut it up very small, blend it, and blend it with some ginger, lemon, and that's nice, good to go. Flavor, taste, everything. And I'll tell you something, it can help you also to lose weight, and also it's good for your blood, and there's a lot of benefit in it. Thank you so much for tuning into my show. We got a lot more ideas, tips, and recipe coming. Next recipe gonna come up, it is beetroot soup, and hopefully you guys will like that one. Thank you so much, and follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. And this is some Chef Ricardo on the team, and see you next time.